In this video, we're going to look at data to action and how we can democratize data access and intelligence throughout your teams. Autonify transforms insights into intelligent action. Our AI agents can automatically represent and recommend specific actions from data insights. We can apply intelligent workflow automation, and we can also expose this so you can have conversational business intelligence with your data. We are looking at a banking database, and one of the agents we have running is our data product agent. This agent is going away and it is looking at different data dashboards that could potentially exist in our organization. You'll see here we've got things like card fraud, early warning detection, standing order failures, payment compliance, customer churn prediction. These are all dashboards that we would expect to have available within our banking data source. We can use AI to go and also create and publish those databases, those dashboards. In this case, we can come off and we can choose to publish a dashboard into Grafana. We have a dashboard that we have previously created for card fraud and detection. Now, if we look at the dashboard that has been produced by Autonify, what we'll see is that we have a daily trend of flagged suspicious card transactions, suspicious card activity over time by region. And we've got various other metrics we're looking at here, including transactions by channel and a forecast of transaction volumes. So Autonify has leveraged AI here to identify opportunities for dashboards. And then it's also created a skeleton dashboard for us, in this case in Grafana, that we can use to move forward with for driving business insights. The other recommendations we've provided here are for agentic workflows. So the AI agent has identified workflows for us that could benefit from adjacency. And we'll see here we could have an agent for autonomous access risk mitigation, loan payment compliance and recovery. And these are all areas where AI could be applied to create custom agents to drive efficiencies across the business. In a previous example, I asked the question, for a national bank data source, which tables can be used to track revenue? And what we'll see is that our AI came back here and identified loan payments, transfers, and other tables and characteristics as relevant. What we're going to do now is we're going to ask our AI to create a dashboard which represents the revenue in our banking system. What the AI is going to do is it's going to use our governed data access control to go and query the backend data so that it can then build an interactive dashboard for us. And we'll see the report that's been produced here, our revenue dashboard, total revenue, interest income, transfer fees, revenue trend analysis, revenue composition, monthly breakdown, and also some key insights here, like interest income accounts, the primary revenue source of 97.5% of total revenue. So this is how we can start to query our data and apply business intelligence. Next, I'm going to use a revenue optimization query. Here we're going to ask it to look at our national bank data source and identify revenue leakage. Now what we'll see is that the AI has gone away here and it's gone and explored our data catalog. And at the end, it's queried our data to identify revenue leakage opportunities. And what you'll see here is we've got key revenue leakage areas identified, potentially up to $800,000 a month in account management revenue loss, loan portfolio revenue risk, transaction processing issues. And this just underlies that we have a lot of issues in our underlying database that is producing a real financial impact. And we can see here some of the root causes and also some of the recommendations that have been made by the AI to rectify this leakage that's happening. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to learn more, visit Autonify.ai.